Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you may be watching today's video from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Cherono Kemey and thank you so much for your always support. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. But for the returning subscribers, I really want to appreciate you so much. Stay tuned guys. We got lost. We terribly got lost here. Hello guys, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you'll be watching this video for. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, Cherono Kemey here, and so thank you so much for your always support. I don't take it for granted. Apana. Hello, so you don't know if it's this one or this one. And so on today's video, we are heading to Chereres Waterfall, and it's located in Sociat, Kericho County, Kenya. And here, guys, we terribly got lost. We got lost, and it's about to rain, you can imagine. And I'm new here, I've never been here before, you know. And yeah, we are almost there. I hope so. But we have
there's a woman born in Kenya.
Almost 30 minutes, you know. But
she walks like she can
that's why we are heading to that room. And
I've
never been here before, but you know, I'm exploring it for the very first time, and I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. So here we took the wrong route, and this guy told us to go back and then turn to your left and then straight. We got lost, guys. We got lost, but we thought it is this way, but we have to go back 500 meters from here. So guys, finally we got there, and but guess what? It is raining. It's raining, and I've just arrived here. I've not even shoot any video, you know. But hope God that to hold the mvua so that we can get enough video for you guys, you know. Tunafanya na bidii, na mimi najua God atatusaidia. Let me know what you think about this place. This is the waterfall. It's called Chereres, and it's located in Kericho, Kenya. Guys, if you happen to visit Kenya, ensure that you visit this place. I've just arrived here, and it has started raining, but I'll try all I could to get a video here, guys. Yeah, everything nature is just amazing. These are the trees, and yeah, this is not the indigenous, but there are some indigenous trees here. But today we are going to explore the waterfall itself. And it's so amazing. You will love it. I'm very sure that you will love it. From here, you can see it from here. Okay, it is there. So this is Chereres Waterfall. Yep. So guys, the waterfall is here already. We finally got here. Ooh. Yep. So this is the waterfall. Finally, we are here, guys. Yeah, see it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. I just love it. What do you think? Let me go downstairs so that you can see it from down here. So nice. Wow. Finally we got here, guys. Finally we got here. And this is the waterfall that I've been telling you that one day I'll get you a video about this place. And it's so amazing, you know. God is so wonderful. This is how He created this waterfall, and it's so beautiful. As you can all see, it's amazing. It's really amazing. It's just like a therapy, you know. If you come here and you had stress or you are just feeling tired, you know, I'm very sure that you'll feel so good. Guys, finally we are here. Finally we are at Chereres Waterfall. Guys, I've been telling you that one day, we're gonna be here. And finally we are here, and I don't take it for granted. I really want to thank God so much, guys, that we are here, you know. So let's explore the Chereres Waterfall. I hope you're gonna enjoy today's video. Let's go. Yes, finally we are here, guys. We are here. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that we are here. Finally. You know? It's amazing, as you can all see. Yeah. It's amazing, as you can all see. It's so beautiful. And no, let's explore it together. I've never been here before. And I'm very sure that you will love it. You will love it, guys. Love it. So let's explore together. Yeah. Guys, finally we are here, and I'm so happy. You know? I'm so happy, guys. What do you think? Yeah, what do you think about the waterfall? It's really natural. It's really natural. It's just a natural waterfall, and naona tu venye maji tu inatoka juu. You see? And there is a cave there. I don't know if we will get there, but let's see it from this distance. Because you know, I can't get there, guys. I'm so scared, you know, and it's about to rain, so I'll not get inside there. But let's just explore from this other side. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the part 2 of the Chereres Waterfall. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to like. Feel free to share. And also, just in case you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. And let's explore Kenya, Africa, to the world's nature. Bye bye. Place, it's free. It's free. No charges. No charges. You just come here so long as you have your photographer. Then you're good to go. You're good to go. Let's explore it together, guys.